Hi team, welcome to Jeros Technologies. We have a product called Farm Director. We have this in the Google Marketplace also. So this is the Farm Director. This is the Google Workspace add-on. We have supported many applications for the Farm Director. For the Google Workspace category, productivity, storage, and for all the categories, we have supported many applications. Here you can see for the Google Workspace, we have already supported Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Contacts, and etc. like this. So similar to this, now I am supporting the Google Admin. So for the credentials, I have created a new Google Cloud project here for the Farm Director Google Admin. For this Google Admin, based on the my application services, I need two scopes. One is the this admin.directory.user for managing the users and admin.directory.group for managing the group. So these are the two sensitive scopes. So I'm showing you the demo why I need these scopes and how I'm going to use this. Okay. So this is my form director script here. I'll show you from the beginning. So this is the script I have. Here I'm supporting the Google admin. This will the Google admin will come under the Google Workspace. Here I'm supporting this. I will go to test deployments. Latest code execute. Form director is the Google Workspace add-on for the Google Forms. I'll go to add-on section. Form director should. So this is my currently testing this. I will click on start setup. This is the welcome screen. I'll close this for now. I will search for Google admin app. So for this Google admin, I'm supporting three services. One is the creating user in the Google admin, creating a group and adding members to a group, that existing group. Okay. So first I will choose create user. I will click on sign in with Google. Here we got this auth consent screen. Browser URL. I'll show you the client ID credentials that I'm using. So as you see in this URL, this is the client ID I'm using. Okay, this is the client ID that I'm trying here. And similarly, the others like response type, redirector URL, redirect URL, and callback state. So similarly, I have other credentials and also the scopes. I will show you the scopes. So here we have the scope sections. I'm using admin.directory.user, this one scope, and another one is admin.directory.group. These two scopes I need. Why? Because I will show here. For creating a user, I need admin.directory.user. user, that scope. And for creating a group and managing adding a member to a group, I need that group scope. So I need these two scopes here as I mentioned. In this authentication, I will choose my Google account. So here you can see the two scopes I need for viewing and managing the groups in your domain and viewing and managing the users on your domain. These two scopes I need. Click on Allow. So this authentication was completed. I will close this tab. First I will choose this create user. Okay. So we have a mapping section here. I will click on setup mapping. It will show us the number of fields we have supported for creating a user. As our Google form is empty, it will auto map all these fields. Here you can see the fields supported are email, password, given name, family name, the mandatory fields and other fields. For now, I am not going to add any photo URL here and organization unit path. Okay, so add 9 fields and click on save and close. Similarly, this is the notification section. This will provide the like it will notify through the email like whether our service is executed successfully or not, like that. I will save the service. The service created successfully. Okay, now I will take this URL. I will submit some test data in it to see whether it will create a user in Google Admin or not. In our Google Admin space, currently we have these users. Okay, so I'll submit the test here. I will create user email like test user at juras.com. Password will be test user 123456. Given name will be test user. Submit FRD. Full name is test user. Test user. Change password next login. True. Suspended false. IP whitelisted false. Now click on submit. So this should create a user in my Google admin space. The test user should create here. I will refresh this page. As you can see here, we got this new user, test user FRD. So I have created a new user here. This is one service. So I will show you the other services also. So I will remove these fields now because for other services we need different fields. Here we can create new service or we can edit the same service. For now I will edit the service. I will change the service to create group. And similarly I go to setup mapping. Here we supporting 6 app fields for creating a group in the Google admin. will add all 6 fields to the form. Save and close. Save the service. Again, I will take this URL, form URL, and submit the test data. So as you can see here, in my admin space, currently we don't have any test FRD space. Only these groups I have. So I create test FRD group at grs.com. The name will be FRD test group. Description and also the same. Number of members we can add here is I will give it as a 2. This one is true. False. And submit this. So this should create a group in our admin space. Okay, now you can see the group I have created, FRD test group. So currently for this group we don't have any members here, it's 0. I will show you. So in this group, this is a newly created one and we don't have any members here. So in our next service, I'm going to add member to this group. So for that also we have a set of new fields. I will remove these fields now. Click on edit service. I will change services from create group to add member to group. Now here we making one more API call to get the list of groups because to these groups only we are going to add members, right? So it will fetch all the groups here or to which group I need to add member like that. So for now I will choose FRD test group and click on the setup mapping. I choose this and add these 2 fields to form. Again I will take this form link. I will add the member email here. Role of this member can be I'll give it as a member only and submit. Now this email should be added as a member to the FRD test group. As you can see, one member has added to the FRD test group. I'll click on manage members. You can see the data studio at juris.com. This was added to this group. So to all these functionalities, I need these 2 scopes that I have shown you before. One is admin.directory.users and another one is the group. these two scopes I need. So I request you to approve these scopes for the project. And I'm going to use these project's credentials in my form director script to make this work in a for as a public app. Thanks for watching the video.